Hi, my name's Jamie Kitchen and I'm with Danfoss. Today I want to talk to you about filter dryers. Filter dryers are very common. You see them in just about every refrigeration and air conditioning system. What makes a filter dryer unique is that it can have a different mixture inside of it. So you have some that are designed for new systems that contain 100% what we call molecular sieve. Molecular sieve traps moisture, making sure that it does not leave the filter dryer. Some of them also have what's called activated alumina. Activated alumina is used to trap any acid that may have formed in the system. With the new POE oils and non-chlorinated refrigerants like HFCs, HFOs, they can only produce acid in the case of moisture. Unlike the old refrigerants, which could produce acid whether they had moisture or not, all they had to do was get hot and break down. This does not happen with HFC, HFO refrigerants, and POE oils. So please make sure you always replace your filter dryer whenever you open the system. It is a good guarantee that the system will be protected from moisture and debris going forward. Hope you enjoyed these videos. For more information, please visit our website, danfoss.us.